here. Alright, check it out. I know I missed out on a lot of videos, and there's so much in the background going on. A lot of things are really starting to happen to me. First and foremost, I have been encouraged to do a daily vlog, and I think that's what we're going to try here. Now I'm doing this on the GoPro, but I got to do it at 1080p because my phone can't handle it. And I do not have access to electricity all the time. So that's what we're dealing with. Check it out! Man, I wish I could let you see that all the way out there. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So, if you guys think I ought to do a daily vlog, I'm already doing lives all the time. I might as well go and do a daily vlog and just upload every day. I can do it on my phone. I can put it all together on my phone. I gotta figure it out. Give me a moment. Let me set this up. But I'll give you what you want. And you ain't seen nothing yet. I've never ran into this, but a couple times. But see, you can buy gas, but you got to put the code in the pump in order for it to work. It's crazy. Loading up, $7. Punch this code in and fill up. Get out of here. Ain't that happy boy? I hope you're going to enjoy this. I'm going to do the best I can. I think this beats back doing videos and doing full production. I'm going to give it to you straight and live and the way it is. Right there it is, Route 66, the casino. Right there it is. And that's all that's out here in this desert. You can see. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Check that thing out. What do you got here, man? What do you got?
31 Victoria.
21 Victoria. Are you gonna make it right?
Someday.
There we are, we're at Route 66 Travel Center. This place is absolutely incredible. Look at this thing. It's falling apart on the way. Absolutely incredible. They're going down the road. They're running a damn generator while they're going down the road. Somebody's in there. They're probably in there sleeping. Look, shit, man. This is absolutely incredible. Route 66 Express Casino. This is incredible, man. Everybody's trying to get through. I'm trying to stay in the shade for a minute. Check it out. This is my charging system, so this is what I do. As I'm charging battery packs as I ride. And that's what powers everything when I'm sitting still. So as soon as I take the phone off, I put this other thing back on charge. My phone's down low. And that's how I keep things charged. I got 3 of those big battery pack systems in there. And there's one right there. And it just keeps on running. It's running to charge. I don't like to see that go below 11.7. It takes 11.7 volts to kick this bike over. And I keep it there. I got solar chargers, everything. Look at Teddy. So, I'm thinking about it. Well, I'm done thinking about it. I'm gonna try and do my best. We're gonna do a daily vlog. I'm gonna do whatever I can. But what you gotta know is the signal isn't gonna be great all the time. And the uploads, I'm gonna do them through the night. So what you see today was recorded yesterday. I'm still gonna do live shows at night as much as I can. Everything depends on the signal. This is the only thing that I got to upload with, unless I get close to somebody or something with internet access. My phone. That's all I got. And if you wish to donate, you can go down below in the description and check it out. You can go to my Vim, you can go to my Cash App, and you can buy me a cup of coffee. Every little bit helps. Even you watching right now is helping me. Just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, tell a friend. We are true motorcycle vagabonds. Don't we, Teddy? Huh? Are you gonna tell him? Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Are you gonna tell him what's going on? Anyway, I always do it, and I always appreciated y'all. And I hope this is what you want. You can let me know. Tell me down in the comments. It's just the type of shit you want. You're gonna see it raw, unfiltered life of mine and Teddy's. The good, the bad, the ugly, the fun, and the fucked up. It's the only way I can feed it to you. I can't play around no more. You want to see it all? Here it comes. Yeah, me and Teddy gonna share a sandwich. I'm starving, I'm on the road, I can't get food out and make something. I do have a little something in there to snack on, but we're starving. Teddy's starving. We're gonna share a sandwich. And this is the way it goes. Oh, I'm gonna spill off my eye. This is the way it goes, right here. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Teddy. He wants meat on it. Good boy. Same mean by it. We share sandwiches all the time. Yeah. In 5 minutes, he eats most of them. And away she goes. Yeah, so here we are. We're at 66, man. There's the casino. There's Teddy. He's marking everything. This is cool. So, what I want to know is you guys got to let me know what you want. But I think this, everybody has been telling me daily vlog, daily vlog. So here's your daily vlog. We're starting it right here. And I'm gonna try my hardest to do my best for you guys. Because you guys are the ones that are pushing me. And I thank you for it. Let's go check out some more. So you guys who were checking out my live last night, we're at the Loves. We tried to go see the Roswell landing site. Anyway, that was a failure. Boom. That's the way it works. But right here at the Loves, can you see there? Right there is where I'm gonna camp. Right there's that, and right there's that. I'm basically camping at the front door. Anyway, I'm gonna put up this tent. I got it laid out. I'm gonna slap up my tent and I'm coming in to go to bed. I got a couple things to do. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to see more of this, you want me to continue to do daily vlog and continue the evening live shows, I am down. I am down. I appreciate y'all, and we'll see you tomorrow. And there we are, we're all set up. You see, there is the gas pumps where they line up to get fuel, and there we are. Everything looks cool so far, no problem. So I'm gonna sit back and I'm gonna put this video together and get it up on YouTube for you guys. Hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, how about a thumbs up, a little comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you want, and hope you're enjoying life. I hope you're enjoying this. We're going to try and get this daily vlog going every day. Anybody wants to donate, they can donate through a cup of coffee. You go to A Cup of Coffee, Twisted Life, and you can donate $5 for a cup of coffee. It helps me out. It helps people that I help out along the way. I'm happy for your support. I'm not begging for it, but I certainly appreciate it, and it goes a long way. With that being said, we're Twisted Life, and thank you very much, all of you, even the guy that hits the like and comment and subscribe. Appreciate you, love you, see you down the road, later.